So I wanted to share something that made making my descriptions really easy, just to enter in all of the extra links that I wanted to use to link my products. So this is one of my products on TPT right now, and these are the links I'm talking about down here. So I found that it was really cumbersome trying to go back and find the link, find all of the HTML code, and then enter them both and kind of cut and paste and all of that. So I decided to try and make it easier for me and maybe a little bit more organized so that when I go to edit my products or create a new product and add related links and related products, that it just was really simple and really efficient time-wise. So what I did was I went to my Google Drive, and you could essentially do this with any kind of Excel program or even Microsoft Word, anything where you can make a table. So I just created this in Google Drive, like I said, and it's one of the Sheets formats. And so I made a 2-column table. And in one column I said product name, and in the other column I did product link. And at the very top, in the very top row, I have the HTML coding that I need to enter in my link and my product title into, so that when I go to copy this and paste it into one of my descriptions, it's all ready to go. So this is kind of just the easy, quick part where I can quickly grab that code and enter in my product link and my product title. So over here, every time I make a new product, I write the product name, and then I copy this here. Oop. And I come down to the bottom and I paste it in. You can see I've kind of already pasted a couple in, so I'm ready to go. So one of my new products that I have is this ABC sorting mat. And so I'm going to go to the web address and copy it. I'm going to come back to my product links page, click on the next open line in my sheet, and up here between those quotation marks, I'm going to delete the space, and I'm going to do Command V, which is paste, and then here where I have a couple spaces, I'm going to add the title of the product, which is ABC sorting mats. And so now what this is this link is already ready to go. It has the link for the product, and then it'll have the product name right here, which is ready to go for me. And then here I just enter in the same product name, ABC sorting maps. Oops, mats over here. I don't know why I did maps. I better change ABC sorting maps. I'll have to change that later. Anyways, so now it's ready to go. So when I want to enter it in for a related product, I'll just copy it here. I always do that. Control copy. I'll go to a similar product that I want to enter it into. So for this one, I'm going to enter it into my popsicle ABC matching. And I want to put it here with the related products. So I'm going to go edit, scroll down, and here's where my related products are at. I'm just going to go to the end of that, click enter or return, and then paste it in there. And then come down and click submit. And now here is my link ready to go. So there's that product already linked as a related product. So this has been really helpful for me. Another thing that I did to make this even easier to use was these first 2 rows right here, I froze them. And when you freeze them, it means that you're going to make them so they will not move. So even if I scroll through my page, these 2 stay at the very top. So in order for me to do that, I clicked them, and then I did view, no, let's see. I have to remember, oh here, sorry, view freeze. And then I said 2 rows, and then it froze those 2 rows. So anytime I scroll, those will continue to stay at the top. Another thing I do to help myself just keep it organized is every time I enter in a new product, I'll come to the top and I'll go to row A and I'll click the arrow at the side, and I'll say sort sheet A to Z. So what it's going to do is it's going to keep these 2 rows here that I've chosen to freeze, and then it's going to sort the rest of it alphabetically. So the ABC sorting mats that I just added are right here, and you can actually see that I have a second. I already added it in earlier, but it's got that maps part. So that has been really helpful for me, and it's saved me a lot of time. I'm really glad that I did it when I did, because as you can see, I only have um, I have 33 products because the first two are already being used. So I have 33 products. So I'm glad I caught it to make it easier earlier on rather than when I had like 100 products and had to go back and do this. I'm sure there's other ways to keep organized, but I've just found that this works for me, and I hope it's helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks.